Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Huawei P Smart in the version of 2019. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin you will find in between the manuals at the box here. And otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Again, with the edge of the paper clip or the pin, you will enter that hole here on the top in the SIM tray. So don't use the one next to the SIM tray because this is a microphone. Use the one in the SIM tray, and with the edge of the paper clip or the pin, enter it, press a bit, and it will come out. And then just remove it. Oops, there were the SIM card, which one is already inserted. It's like this. So, and it has to look like that. So on the first position you will have always the nano SIM card, and on the second position you can enter the micro SD card or a second nano SIM card. I've showed you in another video. So the contacts are below, and on the front it looks like this. So this construction you put just back in the phone, so the front looks like this, and insert it carefully, and that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. So thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Hope you a pleasure to see you again in any case, and maybe until next time. Ciao.